Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to turn on incoming calls ringing in Gmail on your Android device. This feature can be useful if you want to receive phone calls directly in your Gmail account. To get started, make sure that you have the Gmail app installed on your Android device and that you're logged in. Once you're in, look for the menu button in the top left-hand corner of your screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap on the menu button and a menu will appear. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu and tap on Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can customize your Gmail settings. Choose the account that you want to turn on incoming calls ringing for. Scroll down the page until you see the Call Ringing option. Tap on it to check the box and turn on the feature. And that's it. That's how you turn on incoming calls ringing in Gmail on your Android device. Now, you'll receive phone calls directly in your Gmail account. This feature can be very useful if you want to receive phone calls while you're using your computer or if you're away from your phone. However, keep in mind that you'll need to have a Google Voice account to use this feature. Thanks for watching, and we hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.